If you are planning to attend international conference and you need visa, one key thing in attending international conference is invitation letter. And this is very crucial if you are going to apply for visa. In today's video, we are going to look at how you will be able to get invitation letter for your international conference. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please do all to subscribe, like this video, and share this information to your friends and to your family. If you are going to apply for visa and need to assist you, you want me to help you write your itinerary, to help you to gather your documents. If you need comprehensive visa application guide, you can check the tag product in this video or check the shop link to this YouTube account and book the service there. Take note, terms and conditions apply. And if you're also going to apply for job and you need CV or cover letter, for your job application, you can also check the shop link to this YouTube account, or you can also check the description of this video, and I'll be able to get you copy from my shop. And also take note, terms and conditions apply. So without wasting much of your time, let's look at how to get invitation letter for your conference. Now, the first thing, what is invitation letter and why do you need invitation letter? Now, invitation letter is a document which is officially given to you by the conference organizers. Okay, so this is a document that will be given by the organizers of the conference. The invitation is an official document which is issued by the organizers of the conference. Okay, inviting you to attend the event. Now, it usually needs for visa application. So if you are going for conference outside of your country, definitely you will need visa and you will need an invitation letter for you to apply your visa. Okay. Now it's usually need for visa application, funding request, or just to prove you have been officially accepted. So without your invitation letter, there is no way that you can attend a conference or international conference. So you need an invitation letter to attend international conference. And then invitation letter will be from the conference organizers. Okay, so for international attendees, okay, embassies often require this letter as part of visa application process. So as an international person attending conferences out of your country, you will need invitation letter from your organizers. This is a requirement from what? The embassy. Now, step to get an invitation letter. First one, you need to start by selecting a conference that align with your field of study. Okay, so there are different types of conference that you can apply or you can register to attend. But you need to make sure whenever you are going to register for a conference, make sure read the requirement that you're looking for. If it meets your field of study, then you can apply or register for that particular conference. Now, I have some websites where you can just go there and search for the conferences. One, all conference alert, all conference alert, and then conference index. Another website is a conference index, and then we have IEEE.org, IEEE.org, and then Eventbrite. Eventbrite. So these are some of the websites where you can find conference there. Now make sure it is legit. One key thing that you need to know is that whenever you are going to register your interest or you're going to apply for a conference, you need to do your research well to know that the type of conference that you are going to register is really legit. Okay, before you register your interest for it, because some of the conference will be required to pay for registration fee. Now, register or submit an abstract. Okay, so some of the conferences will let you register for the conference. You may need to pay a fee. Okay, so either you register and then you pay a fee, or you submit an abstract or research paper for the presentation. So you can attend the conference as a guest just by watching as a member, and then you can attend as well somebody who is going to do a presentation. It means that you have a research paper that you want to present in this conference. And by doing so, if you're in a conference and then you do your presentation, one advantage that you get is that it is going to enrich your CV. So it is very better, and it is very better to be to perform some activities in the conference. This means you are going to present something when you attend to a conference, and it also boosts your chance of getting invitation letter. If you watch the video up to this point and you were interested, please kindly subscribe, like this video, and also share this video to your friends and a family member. Now, request the invitation letter. Now, after getting the conference that you want to apply, you have registered. The next thing is to getting your invitation letter. So, how do you request your invitation letter? Now, once registered or accepted, now you need to register first. And if you are being accepted, now you need to go to the conference website and look for the section called visa information. So with the conference website, you see where they have written a visa information or request invitation letter. Okay, so you can easily contact them through their email address or through their contact as information that they will leave on the website. Now, what you have to do is to just send an email to the organizers requesting for an invitation. Now, this is sample email that you can send to the organizers to request for your invitation. Now, first one, so the subject should be request for invitation letter to attend conference. Then you put the conference name. Then you write dear organizer. So the name of the organizer, or dear sir, or dear madam. So this is a sample email that you can send to the organizers. Now, I am writing to request an invitation letter for the conference. So you put the conference name there. Taking place in, okay, so taking place in, then you put the location of the conference. So taking place in maybe England, United Kingdom, from maybe 25th of September 2025 to 28th of September 2025. I have registered or being accepted. So I've been registered and I've been accepted as a presenter or attendee. So as a presenter means that you will be presenting, you will be doing a presentation during the conference. And then as an attendee, it means that you are going to watch others who are going to present. Now, my details are as follows. So you need to provide the details of your passport number, your full name, your nationality, and then your affiliate. If you are affiliate to any university or any institution that you want to list it there, you list them there. Then that is it. And then after you are done, you will receive the invitation letter. After you send them a request email, once they receive your request, the organizers will usually send you a PDF invitation letter via email. So the organizer will send you a PDF invitation, okay, through your email address. So what you have to do is you just go out, print it out, and use it for your visa application together with your documents that you need to present to boost your chance of getting the visa to attend the conference. So let's continue to the tips that I have for you here. So one key thing is for you to get the invitation is to apply early. Make sure you submit your application early. Don't wait the last minute before you apply. Make sure you always apply early. Now make sure your passport details are correct whenever you are filling the form or you are registering your interest. Make sure your details that you are giving is correct. Always double check the conference website policies. Make sure you also read about the policies about the conference. And the next thing that you need to know, you need to be aware of fake or preparatory conferences. You need to make sure that the conference that you are going to register and you are going to pay for is very legit. Thank you for watching the video up to this point, and please do well to subscribe. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and I'll answer you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.